Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mammee Bay and we're giving you a tour of the CHEC, that's China Harbour Engineering Company's massive Mammee Bay Roaring River development. Now, I want to ask you guys a question. Why can't the NHT build homes like this? Now, this development is on 740 acres of land. What we're looking at now is phase 1, which is 160 acres. So it's going to be 6 phases. This is phase 1 that they're building. And this development is sold out before the first house is even finished. This is prime real estate. It's on the north coast. Mammee Bay is on the north coast between Ocho Rios and Draxall. Prime real estate. It's where two major highways merge or intersect. The Highway 2000 north-south leg, which takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and the northern coastal highway, which takes you from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. Now, the reason why I asked that question about the NHT is, do you know who owned this land? This land was owned by the Jamaican government and they did nothing with it. It was empty. And China Harbour Engineering Company came to Jamaica and said, we want this land. We will develop it. And the government gladly gave them the land and told them they had a certain time period in which to develop it. Or the land goes back to the government. The government could have developed this land, 740 acres. NHT has so much money, billions of dollars that they're not using. They have so much money that they actually give money to the budget every year. I'm not sure if they still do it, but there was a time when NHT used to subsidize the budget. That's how much money they had. So why don't they develop some of these lands that the government has? They took China Harbour Engineering Company to see the potential of this land and asked for it. What happened is the government was building Highway 2000 north-south leg, and it was a French contractor and they ran into problems and couldn't finish. So the government asked China Harbour Engineering Company to come and finish the project. They said they would, but give us this land. Give us 1,200 acres of land. And they specifically asked for this piece of land by Mammee Bay. And the government said sure and gave them the land. The highway was built. And now China Harbour Engineering Company is developing the land. But there's so much more. There's so much more land like this. Prime real estate that is just sitting down, that the NHT could develop, or other entities in Jamaica. Now, in Montego Bay or St. James, Lilliput, as you're driving into Montego Bay, some 3 massive hotels are being built down there. Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, the Unico, and what's that name of that other hotel? Another massive hotel. Not Half Moon, Moon Palace. Do you know who owned that land before it was bought by the hotel companies? The Jamaican government. The UDC owns thousands of acres of land, beachfront property, sitting down idle. Other investors come in, buy the land, build massive hotels. So guys, what do you think? Do you think the NHT should develop these lands that the government has? They have the money. They definitely have the technical capability. I'm just not sure why they're not doing it. Prime real estate. This project we're looking at now could have been an NHT development. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.